Gaeilge, it's Tugann Ciara Ní É agus seo What the Fuckle, where I answer your questions about the Irish language. So bhí sean seo by me a kaint Bhéarla na hÉireann, Hiberno-English and its roots in Irish. Tá Bhéarla na hÉireann bunatha an nGaeilge an a chuid. Tá fáiriocht na Gaeilge ann, tá focail le an nGaeilge ann agus feictar glán astruúcháin nachna cainte cumála córéir na Gaeilge go minic in Bhéarla na hÉireann. Orintha bíonn daoine ag tuairteach faoi Gaeilge an léniu agus iad rá nachhfuil ann ach glán astruúcháin an mBéarla. Ach feictar dom go minic go mé a bhallart atá fíor mar go mbíonn an Bhéarla sin bunatha an nGaeilge sa chéad áit. So what I'm saying is, even if you don't speak Irish, the English that you speak might be very heavily influenced by Irish in so many different ways. And this is so innate to Irish people that we often don't even realise that we're doing it. I've picked a few common phrases that are used in Ireland and by Irish people. Atá bunatha an nGaeilge agus tá sé granmhar mar fiú agus an lista seo á dhéanamh agam. Bhí dul Google le feiceáil an bhfuil sé seo bunatha an nGaeilge an Bhéarla na hÉireann é seo nó an Bhéarla caidánach é seo. Bhí sé andacra dhéanamh amach. So if I'm if I'm wrong in any of these instances, please feel free to give out to me in the comments. I tried my very best. Torthaí mé an Bhéarla, an sin an Gaeilge as a dánig sé agus legan nó rud éigean caidánach beidir go mbeadh ag daoine eile a úsáid an Bhéarla. So an chéad rud ná give out. So tágan an ná sin give out go díreach as an Gaeilge tuairteach. Ní úsáideann siad in áitecha eile é mar nach cainte Derek siad sin give out. Tell off. So yeah, I was telling her off. Sin an chuig an airtration. An tarna rud ná safe home. Úsáta sin go furlahan in Bhéarla na hÉireann and tágann sé go díreach an Gaeilge slán abhaile dar nói. And I suppose a standard way of saying that would just be goodbye or see you soon or I don't even know. An trí rud ná thanks a million. Níor visagum go rud éireannach é seo ach é tágann sé go díreach as gur raibh míle maithagat. And it was kind of like a false translation of míle into million. So I think other people in other countries who use English would just say thank you very much or many thanks. Bockety. So that's a Bockety table, a Bockety old yoke. Okay, that probably means nothing to somebody who doesn't have Hiberno-English. But Bockety comes directly from Irish. Bacaidí from bacach, like a lachach, bacach. And bacach is like a lame person or animal. And we use Bockety to describe something that might be wobbly. So that's the standard English for it, wobbly. Fooster. Oh, would you stop foostering? So, tágann sé go díreach an nGaeilge fústar agus cílíonn sé sin to be moving around, bustling. So the standard English would be fussing. Oh, the day that's in it. Would you not get your hair done for the day that's in it? Oh, well, we get the fancy black pudding for the day that's in it. Tá sé sin bunatha an lá atá ann. It's glán astruúcháin é. What would be, how would you say that in a standard English for the day that it is? I have no idea. Sin an rud tá gceist gom, tá sé dachar déanamh má chunas a déir rudí go caidánach. I am and I amn't. Tá sin bunatha tá agus níl. An bhfuil, an bhfuil tú ag géirí dul go dtí an trá. Tá agus níl. I am and I amn't. Because amn't itself is a very Irish construction. People from other Englishes would say am not or I'm not. Yeah. So I am and I amn't. I suppose yes and no maybe they would say. But dar nói in Gaeilge ní léinn yes or no ann agus bí muid a caint bhríomhre or bí muid trying imríomhre an a chuid den am. I'm after watching the film. I'm after having my dinner. I'm after going to the shops. Tá mé níam a ghéan ithe. Tá mé tréis dul an siopa. Tá mé. That's a very common way of phrasing things in Irish, and it bled completely into our English. In standard English, you would say, I have just eaten my dinner. I have just been to the shop. And if you say, I'm after something, it usually means that you want something. I'm after a promotion. I'm after a medal in that race. I don't know. So, sha, tá mé inne é sin a bhíniú inis agus bugi mé araig. He rang me and me on the bus. You're talking to me and me doing whatever. So, chuir sé gléachar agus mé an mus, tá tú gléirlumm agus mé dena sin. Yeah, so that's completely based on Irish, and in standard English you would say when I was on the bus. Díreach cúpla sampla de Bhéarla na hÉireann an sin tá all lista a gom Google Docs agus anyway cúpla fí an eile mar seo mar buinam ansultas braniú mar chud cainte agus caint na hÉireann in áíra agus fechant na rudí atá bunathe go díreach an nGaeilge. Ceapan go léironn sé rud léironn sé go bhfuil Gaeilge leis an nGaeilge. Fiú marhfuil Gaeilge a gut mar go dtigann tú córéir focail agus rudí le mar sin. Agus tásúla go runn tú tanmh as an bhí an seo, má tá tú géirí níos mó elumm faoin Gaeilge weimse tá stra a gom dar bannam what the focail mar chanéal hain agus is féidir fechan sin nó ba mé ras canéal uras na Gaeilge an tatan se thugan. Slán inis!